In this video, I will guide you how to add bullet in Excel cell. If you have a list of items in column A and want to add a bullet to then in the column B, then you need to use the formula, put the equal sign and type CHAR and open the bracket and type the bullet character code I like 149. Close the bracket, space, use the ampersand, space, double quote, space, double quote, space, put the ampersand and space and select the cells. And now hit enter. And here is the magic done. Drag it the formula to the other rows and here it is. Moreover, if the standard bullet feels a bit boring, you can swap the code to, for example, press F2 and change the code to 186 for the hollow circle and hit enter. And here you can see that. And if you want to insert the square bullet, then again press F2 and change the character code 164 and hit enter. And if you want a dash or hyphen, then press F2 and change the code 150, hit enter, like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy formula. I hope now you understand how you can add bullet in Excel cell. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.